Hello student, today I will teach you social study. Your first chapter is our earth. Today we will more discuss about our earth. The earth is the only planet where the life is possible in the solar system. Earth is the only planet where life is possible because it is only known to have oxygen and water. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Now let's start your chapter. How many planets are there in the solar system? Do you know how many planets in our solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets in our solar system. And what is orbit? Orbit is the curved path where the all planets revolve around the sun. See here in your diagram, the curved line is called orbit, where all planets revolve around the sun. Now start your chapter. The sun, together with 8 planets and all other celestial bodies that orbit the sun, is called the solar system. The solar system was formed billion of years ago. The solar system is oval in shape, just like an egg. Let us learn more about the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. All planets and the satellite revolve around it. And it is the source of energy in the solar system. And celestial body means a natural object which is located outside of the earth, like moon, star, planets. Okay. And the solar system was formed billion of years ago. The solar system is oval in shape. Now look at in your picture, its shape is oval. Now turn your page. The sun is the center of the solar system and the source of all life and energy here on earth. It accounts for more than 99.86% of the mass of the solar system. It contains hydrogen and helium. The sun is a star. It is the main source of heat and light for all the heavenly bodies that revolve around it. Now see in this picture, the sun is center of the solar system. All planet and satellite revolve around it. It is the source of all energy in solar system. Life on the earth is possible only because of sunlight. Without the sunlight and heat and energy, our earth would become a cold and lifeless planet. The light from the sun take about 8 minutes to reach the earth. Now let's read about the planet. The planet are the heavenly bodies. These are made up of rock, gases and metals. They revolve around the sun. On the orbit, planets do not have their own light. We can see them because of the sun's light. There are 8 planets in our solar system. These are Mercury. It is the smallest planet in solar system. It is nearest to the sun. Venus, it is the brightest planet. Earth, it has one natural satellite called the moon. It is the only planet which has life. Mars, it is also a small planet. Jupiter, it is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn, it is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is famous for the ring around it. Uranus, it is the third largest planet in the solar system. It was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. Neptune, it is the eighth and the last planet of our solar system. Our solar system consists of 8 planets according to their distance from the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. The largest planet is Jupiter and the smallest planet is Mercury. Mercury is nearest to the sun. whereas Neptune is farthest. Saturn has ring around it. Venus is closest to the Earth. And we already discussed about that orbit. Orbiters are the fixed path on which planets revolve. Uranus, it is the third largest planet in solar system and it was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. Okay, underline this sentence and learn it. The Earth. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. It is only planet known to have an atmosphere containing oxygen, oceans of liquid water on its surface and life. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Earth has a diameter of 8,000 miles, 13,000 kilometers. Earth's surface is covered with water. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, most of it in the oceans. The large water bodies of water are called ocean. Rest are land on the earth. The large area of land are called continents. The earth has 5 oceans and 7 continents. Now see the earth. The surface of the earth is covered with land and water. Land and water. About 71% of earth's surface is water. 71% is water. Water is formed in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. The remaining 29% is land. 29% is land. The land portion has mountain, valleys, plateaus, plain, forest and desert. The layer of air which surround the earth is called atmosphere. The layer of air, okay, that is called atmosphere. It is made up of number of gases. All human beings, animal and plants need air to live. Therefore, the earth is the home of all living beings. Now see, do you know a satellite is a solid object which revolve around somebody due to the effect of gravitational force. Like planets, satellites also do not have their own light. They reflect the light of sun. The earth's satellite is the moon. Okay. All the planet which is revolve around the sun, they do not have their own light. Okay. They reflect the light of sun. That's why they were shining. Now look at the map given below carefully. It shows the structure of earth. Okay. This is the structure of earth. 5 oceans are there. North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and North Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean and 7 continents. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, Asia is the largest continent. Africa, Europe, South America and North America and Atlantica. Okay, sorry, Antarctica. There are 5 oceans on the earth that separate the continents from each other. The 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It covered 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. There are 7 continents on the Earth. These are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. The 2 continents, North America and South America, are joined by the Panama Canal. The Africa is very rich in natural resources. Europe is a peninsula. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest of all in the 7 continents. Antarctica is the coldest continent in It is completely covered with snow most of the year. Now see in your map North America, the continent, two continents, North America and South America are joined by Panama Canal. Where the Panama Canal? Here it is situated. Okay? The Panama Canal, this continent, Africa is rich in natural resources. Okay? Europe. Europe is peninsular. Peninsular means three side of water. It's which continent? Which is three side of water. Okay. Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Antarctica is coldest continent. It is completely covered with snow most of the year of because the sun. Antarctica is the coldest planet because the sunlight did not get direct sun rays. Do you know peninsula is the land which is surrounded by water on three sides but still attached to the mainland? Atmosphere of the earth. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This layer is called atmosphere. We cannot see air but can feel its presence. Atmosphere contains many gases. Oxygen is also present in the atmosphere. Oxygen is necessary for people, plant and animal to breathe and live. The air of layer which surround the earth is called atmosphere. It is made up of number of gases. All human beings need, animal and plant need air to live. Without air we cannot live. Air is very important for us. Therefore the earth is the home of all living being. Now next next heading, horizon. If we look from a distance, the sky and the earth seem to meet at a point. If we look from a distance, the sky and the earth seem to meet at a point. The place where they seem to meet is called the horizon. Actually, the sky and the earth never meet. It just looks like that because the earth is quite big in size. Coast. Coast is the place where the land and the sea meet. If we stand on the coast facing the sea, we will find that the sky that the water appear to meet at a distance, whereas in reality they never meet. Many people live in coastal areas. There are many cities located near the seashore. Horizon means if we look from a distance, we see that the earth and we see that the seem to meet a point. We see that sky and earth seem to meet at a point, but they never meet. In fact, the earth and the sky never meet. They only seems to be meeting. The coast, the place where land and sea meet is called coast. Many people live on the coast. These areas are called coastal areas. If we stand on the coast and look towards the sea, we notice that the water surface and the sky appear to meet at a distance point. In fact, the water surface and the sky never meet. Movement of earth. As a planet of the sun, the earth revolve around the sun. Beside this it also rotate on its own axis. Thus the earth has two motions, the rotation and the revolution. Now see in this picture, the upper part of the earth is called North Pole. The lower part of the earth is called South Pole. Rotation of earth. Rotation. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. West to east, earth rotate. Okay. The axis is an imaginary line passing through the northern and the southern poles. Earth's rotation is completed in about 24 hours. This is called the daily motion of the earth. This motion is responsible for occurrence of day and night. Now see on the board, this is earth and this is south pole. Lower part of the earth is south pole and upper part of the earth is north pole, and these are axes. Earth spins around its axis just as top spins around its spindle. This spinning movement is called earth rotation. Every day, the earth spins once around its axis, making sunrise and sunset a daily feature of life on the planet. And revolution is the term used to describe the path or orbit of the earth through space. Why do seasons change? Do you have any idea? Earth revolves around the sun in counterclockwise manner with one complete revolution taking 365 days. This extra quarter day is responsible for our leap year every 4 years. Revolution responsible for our changing season. Now go ahead. The moon. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It is a piece of rock that orbits the earth every 27.3 days. That is why a month is called a month. It is similar than the earth, about 1/4 the size of the earth. It appears much bigger than the stars because it is much closer to the earth. The moon does not have its own light. There is no air, water or life on the moon. The surface of the moon is covered with craters and mountains. मून भी एक नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है अर्थ का, और ये क्या है, ये इसमें मून में माउंटेन्स हैं और बहुत बड़े बड़े होल्स हैं, और मून का जो 1 मंथ होता है वो 27.3 डेज़ का होता है, ठीक है। और ये क्या है, 1/4 साइज़ है अर्थ का, ठीक है। इसी और ये अर्थ के बहुत पास है, इसलिए ये हमको बड़ा नज़र आता है अदर स्टार्स से, ओके। Here your chapter is completed now. Now do you understand about solar system and earth? I will send you a worksheet also. You have to do question answers in your copies and draw this picture in your notebook, okay. And you have to do this exercise also, and draw solar system, and page number 5 you have to draw solar system in your notebook also. Bye and take care.